Next up, we have the Shorty. So the Shorty will make it nice for not only using it as a tripod, but you can use it as a mini extension pole. So if you want to hold the GoPro in your hand and shoot some video, then you can make it nice and easy for yourself. So there you go, and then that's as far up as it goes, and then it just lays on the table like that. And let me see here, now it does come with this piece. Now I did hear you're probably gonna want to change this out, so I could probably pop this out and then I can use this instead. So this will make it easier when locking it in place. Let's see if this will fit in there. There we go. This will make it a whole lot easier to access than with this piece. And then I could just hold this in my hand like this, and this feels good. And then as I am shooting videos with it, I can also put it down on the table, and then I could adjust, and then just like that. So very cool. I think the Shorty is really, really cool. Some people have said that with the Shorty, it does make a little bit of noise from rattling, so we'll have to see, test it out. But, but I do like it, so very cool there. So that is the Shorty. All right, so now it's time to test out the Shorty. I've got this set up for 4K 60 frames per second. Also, the Hyper Smooth is on, and I am going to run. Here we go. Woo, come on. Beautiful day. Here we go. So I'll give you an idea with the Shorty and also the Hyper Smooth.